Hey guys, and welcome to another vehicle review, and this is gonna be two cars and a secret car, which is gonna be really cool. The secret car is like the fastest car in the game right now. So yeah, the first one is the Nissan GTR Black Edition. Yes, it's a GTR, but it's a Black Edition. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It sounds cool. Yeah, it sounds cool, and it's got only a couple of customization options, like the front bumper and the wing. So there's not that much things to do with this car. And yeah, this is the Nissan GTR Black Edition. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. So this one is called the Morgan R. I can't say it. So this one has some customization options, like free. But you can make it look cool because it's just like this, and then like it sounds pretty cool as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So now up for the special. Dum, dum, dum. Nope. Guess what? Whoa, I got you that time, but the special is dum 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 dum. The tricycle. That drifter. It's made by Porsche. Wait, let me get it. As you can tell by the front, like here. You can see. Made by the Porsche. Go away, camera. Bonk. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this video now. So yeah, and guess what? Such cool car. Yeah, and there's another really cool car, which is this. It's like a Mini Cooper, but it's the old version and it's big. And everybody's gonna be saying this is the coolest car. No, it ain't, because this is the DeLorean. Everybody knows where this is from. Wait, I might do something. I know what I'm supposed to do. No, wait. Let me do it. There. That is like the biggest remake of Back to the Future you'll ever see. Such heavy car. Such wow. Such beautifulness. Yeah, so I guess that's a finish of this video, and see you later.